welcome back to another video. I'm gonna put this down so you guys can hear me a little better. Okay, hopefully that's a little better, but okay guys, welcome back to another video. Today is gonna be another special day, man. It's gonna be my first day biking out by myself, first ever solo ride, and also first time motovlogging. So today I'm using a DJI Osmo Pocket 2 just to test that out. I do have a GoPro, but I figured I'd give this a shot because it comes with a little wireless microphone that I can literally have velcroed into the corner of my helmet here. So hopefully you guys can hear me clearly. I noticed that this, because I'm on a Harley Davidson 883, I know that there's probably going to be some shaking, so I want to see how this camera holds up. If not, I may have to figure out how to mount, maybe get a helmet mount or something, and just see what's best. But if you guys like this kind of content, please go right ahead before we go any further and like this video. Also hit that subscribe button, notification bell, so that you guys receive a notification every time I post another video. Alright, so without further ado, let's go for it. Okay, down into first, ease off of that clutch, give her some gas, and she's gone. She's out of there. I'm in first gear right now, just riding through a complex. Woo-hoo! Okay, I'm going to flip the camera around so you guys can get that front view there. Oh yeah, that camera's definitely rattling. Oh man, this is definitely the most liberating feeling. I have no regrets, man. Listen, I'm in beautiful South Florida right now, beautiful weather, so we have motorcycling weather year-round. So this is awesome, man. I'm going to go ahead on a downshift right now because I'm approaching a light. My first intersection solo, guys. Just downshifted down into first gear. And this is an awesome feeling, man. Okay, we're about to roll out again, so I'm going to flip the camera back around to the front. Oh man, so yeah guys, so just adjusted my camera there. Actually, I'm going to stay in this lane here. This is a beautiful, easy ride. I chose this road because it's a warehouse district, and there's not many, you know, cars that come back here. There's not a lot of vehicle traffic, and I'm also not far away from the Harley Davidson dealership, so I'm going to stop by there too, you know. Downshifting. Got my clutch all the way in, taking out the power. Alright, I'm just gonna go straight across here. This is a nice photo spot. This person here, it looks like they're just stopped. So hopefully this truck here stops. This is sweet. I'm just gonna coast around this turn right here. Just press into my turn. Press that handlebar. Woo, look at that nice little dip, man. I'm doing good, guys. I'm doing good. Okay, I'm approaching a four-way stop here. This is freedom. This is absolute freedom. Oh man, if you guys are, you know, are on the fence about doing this, you know, getting a bike, I mean, it's a no-brainer. You gotta absolutely go for it, man. You're missing out. gear. I'm gonna go up another gear here. And I'm gonna just stay and chill in third gear right here, man. This is awesome. I wish I could show you guys my hands view, but the helmet that I'm wearing, you know, it's a convertible helmet, so the top goes all the way back and it converts into a half helmet. Although I'll probably not wear this as a half helmet. The only time I can see me using that is if I actually stop somewhere. But yeah, so it makes it difficult to attach a GoPro mount. So this Harley 883, this is America, guys. Okay, so I'm coming up right now to the Harley dealership. So you know I gotta make some noise coming up, you know, some bloop 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 bloop. Let them hear some of that. You know, you gotta let them know it's a Harley coming, you know. All right, I'm downshifting now. Got my signal on. Turning into the Harley Davidson dealership right now. Okay guys, this feels great, man. To be out here doing this, my first ever solo bike ride here, and I'm at the Harley Davidson dealership looking at these awesome bikes out here, man. So this is cool. Just trying to get out here onto the roadway right now, and about to head down to Markham Park here, one of my favorite spots. So this is the life right here, man. I just went to the Harley dealership for the first time by myself right now, and right now I'm just going to cruise around this beautiful park. I want to show you guys Markham Park here. It's really cool, man. Open it up a little bit, get up the speed limit here. There's this car merging over. I don't trust cars. I don't trust them when I'm driving a car. Certainly don't trust them when I'm driving two wheels. Yeah, I know you guys are getting a lot of vibration right now because, you know, this Harley is got a lot of vibration. Nice little curve here. Got this bike leaning. Look at that lean. Push and lean, baby. Oh man, this is definitely a dream come true, guys. When I was little, man, I never thought that I would be riding a Harley. I never thought I'd be able to do this. So this is pretty cool. This is definitely a dream right now. I want to show you guys some of this view. So I'm going to put the camera around so you guys can see this view. Coming up to a stop sign here. lot more smooth. Listen to that baby purr. Alright, I gotta show you guys this. So here we go. Look at that bike lean. Woohoo! Oh yeah, baby. Look at this bike lean. I got some Ariana Grande playing. Oh, look at this view. This is one of my favorite spots right here. This location right here. Listen to that baby purr. Stop signs. There we go. This is awesome. I know this camera is shaking right now because this bike just has such a vibration. I'm gonna have to figure out rather my mount setup. I'm just gonna take the entire roadway here on Markham Park. At the shooting range here. Guys out here shooting, which is pretty cool. Looks like the sheriff's office is out here. Okay guys, so that's gonna about wrap up my first ride here today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Some of the beautiful scenes here at Markham Park. If you liked what you see, definitely hit that like button. Also hit that subscribe button and notification bell so that you guys receive a notification every time I post another video. So until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.